too.
Ah! It fell over. What's it called on the sign?
I don't know.
You don't know what that thing? What's he holding? This is a science lab for kids.
I want to play science experiment.
Oh yeah. All right, we got to check one of these things. Definitely gonna do Houston. We have liftoff. And should we do the Coke explosion too?
Yeah. It's gonna look so crazy.
It's gonna be so crazy.
It's going to the roof.
Yep, we gotta get this fizz.
I'll get it back up.
We gotta get a fizz tablet. Ready?
Ready.
And then you're gonna put that in there, and then I'm gonna cover it really fast. So you put it in there, and then I'm gonna cover it up. And then stand back. Stand back. No, come over here. Oh! That was so crazy. We could do it again.
It's spilled everywhere. Now it's time to do blue.
Look out here. Look. Oh no. Oh, it's done fizzing. Should we do that one more time?
Yeah, it's blue and green.
It said put 1/2 of a fizzy tablet in there.
Yeah.
Yep, so put it in there. Whoa. All right, and now you need some raisins, about 6 raisins. Can you get 6 raisins?
And then it's fizzing away. It's coming out.
Okay, you gotta put the raisins in there. Go ahead.
1,
2.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Perfect. All right, and now we just have to wait.
And wiggle. Whoa.
It wiggled? Really? Because of the fizz, you think?
Yeah.
Okay, we gotta keep watching them. What are they gonna do?
I want to look at the top from the top.
From the top?
I can't see the road.
Whoa, what is the raisin doing?
Oh no. Look up.
How does it do that?
And look down.
Now it's going back down?
Look like the face is going up and the raisins are going down.
I wonder why.
Because the face is going up.
Oh, so the bubbles are taking them up?
Yeah.
Oh, wow, that's pretty cool. Perfect. We're gonna do the same with the pepper.
Smells kind of yummy, actually.
Smells kind of yummy. Smells like salt and pepper.
Can I eat some?
No, it's only for science experiments. Put it right on the pepper. Perfect.
Can I eat some of this?
No,
Why?
because it's not for eating.
Yeah.
It's getting closer. We only needed about 3/4 of the way, so we need about 5 more pumps. Rub it on your hair, do a hair dance. Rub it on your hair, keep rubbing, rubbing, rubbing. Rub it on your hair, back and forth. All right, and now it says, watch the salt and pepper when you hold the balloon close to it now. What is it doing?
I don't know what's the balloon.
It's going all the way up to the balloon?
Yeah.
Whoa, and then you can make them dance.
Hey, get him down.
All right, Rainier, what are these?
Glasses.
They're light diffracting glasses. Put them on and see what you can see, and then look at a light bulb. Put them over.
Whoa, it's like a rainbow.
They have rainbows?
Yeah.
Whoa, is it pretty cool? Can I try it?
Yeah, you can try it.
Okay, let me
It's
see.
a light bulb.
Whoa, there's so many rainbows.
Yeah, I'll do it.
Yeah, your turn, your turn. See if you can look at a different kind of light.
Whoa, this door's going that way. It's going that way. Whoa.
Which one are we gonna do now?
The Coke.
The Coke explosion?
Yeah, it's gonna go right on your phone.
Oh, it better not. Oh no.
Yeah, it will.
All right, let's look up the directions. All right, we need some stuff from over here. Right over here. This is the Coke explosion stuff.
What are these?
Mentos, And you need to get a Coke.
And it needs some Coke. I got it.
Perfect.
I need some of these.
And then we need a plastic pan. You gonna get one of those? Yep. All right, now we're gonna go make our rocket. Grab all your stuff. You need that. You need that whole tray. This one's gonna be totally crazy.
Oh.
Ready?
Ready.
Yeah. Now you got to put the lid back on top. Nope, the red one. The red one. Oh boy, is this gonna be? This is gonna be crazy.
Okay.
Perfect. Good job. All right, Rainy, are you ready?
Yeah.
Let's count down.
3, 2.
Ah! It fell over. That one was crazy. My... Okay, now let go. Let go. Let go. See if it spins. There it goes. Now it has a tornado.
Which way does it go?
Rainier's new favorite place on the planet, Little Beakers.